Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
The check is here. Let's see how much it is.
Okay, what's the total?
The subtotal is $55 and the tax is $5.
So that's $60 before the tip. That's not too bad.
Yeah, I thought it might be more. How should we split it?
Do you want to split it evenly?
We could. That would be $30 each before the tip.
I don't know. My meal was more expensive than yours.
That's true. I had the burger and you had the salmon bowl.
Maybe we should each pay for what we ordered.
Sure, let's check the prices.
How much was your burger?
It was $16 and my iced tea was $3.
Okay, so your total is $19.
Right. How much was your salmon bowl?
I think it was $22.
Really? I didn't know it was that much.
Yeah, and I had a lemonade too.
Do you remember how much the lemonade was?
Not exactly. I think it was $4.
Let me check the menu. Yes, it was $4.
Okay, so my total is $26.
Wait, we also shared the appetizer.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
The mozzarella sticks were $10.
Then that's $5 each.
Sounds good. So my share is $24.
And my share is $31.
So that's 24 for me and 31 for you.
That adds up to 55. Perfect.
Okay, that looks right.
What should we do with the tax?
We can just split it evenly.
That sounds fair. So we each add $2.50.
Right. So my total is $26.50.
And mine is $33.50.
Now we just need to decide on the tip.
The service was pretty good. What do you think?
I agree. The food came quickly and the server was nice.
How about a $12 tip?
Sounds good. That makes the total $72.
Should we split the tip evenly too?
Sure, $6 each seems fair.
Okay, then my total is $39.50.
And mine is $32.50.
Let me check. $39.50 plus $32.50 is $72.
Okay, we're good.
Are you paying with cash or a card?
I was going to use my card. What about you?
I only have $20 in cash.
No problem. I can put the whole bill on my card.
Are you sure? I can give you the 20 now.
Keep it. You can just send me your share.
Okay, I'll send you $39.50.
Sounds good. You can just send it through the app.
I'll do it now, before I forget.
Take your time. I'll give the server my card.
Wait, Did we say $12 for the tip?
Yes, $12. So the total is 72.
Perfect. I just sent you $39.50.
Let me check my phone.
Did you get it?
Yep, $39.50.
Great. I always like to make sure the amount is right.
Me too. It's easy to send the wrong amount.
Especially after a big meal. I'm too full to think.
Same here. Maybe we didn't need the appetizer.
Maybe not. But those mozzarella sticks were really good.
True. I liked my burger too.
Was it worth $16?
I think so. It was pretty big, and the fries were good.
My salmon was good too, but $22 is a little high.
Yeah, that's a little expensive for lunch.
I know. Next time, I'm checking the price first.
At least the portions were pretty big.
That's true, and the service was better than last time.
Would you come back here?
Maybe, but I would probably order something cheaper.
We could try that new taco place next time.
Oh, good idea. I heard their lunch prices are pretty reasonable.
And maybe the bill will be easier to split there.
As long as you do the math again.
Deal. But next time, you're checking the drink prices.
Fair enough. Are you ready to go?
Almost. I got my card back, so I just need to add the tip.
Good. Don't forget the $12 tip.
Done. Now we are all set.
Great. Let's get out of here before we order dessert, too.
Good idea. I definitely don't need any more food.
Me neither. Lunch was great, though. Thanks for having lunch with me.